Hello, we are students of 4th ESO of Marta Mata Secondary School. Today we are going to answer two questions about the impact of cigarettes. If we deposit all the cigarettes consumed in a year in an electric truck, what height could it be? And then the other question is, with all the money spent in cigarettes, will it overcome the PIB of any country? As we see in the video, we had measured the diameter and the longitude of the cigarette nozzle. Measure 2.5 centimeters of length and 0.7 centimeters of diameter. After, we measure the area of the electric truck. The total area is 4,489 meters. Then we calculate the altitude that occupy the waste of the cigarette in the electric truck.
The height of the waste is 12 kilometers, 1.5 times the Mount Everest. Second, we calculate the money spent in cigarettes in 1 year. That is 1.714 trillion of dollars. We can compare this amount of money with the GDP of Iceland. What is the GDP? Gross domestic product is a monetary measure of the market value of all final goods and services produced in a period of time. In Spanish is PIB. The money spent in cigarettes is 96 higher than the GDP of Iceland.